Hi, welcome to Quick Themes. My name is Hafiz, and in this video I will show you step by step on how to make a one product Shopify store for this specific product. Along the way, I will cover how to use custom typography, how to set up a tracking page, how to create a bundle offer, and how to add product reviews. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. When you log into Shopify, you are going to meet this dashboard right here. What you're going to do now is to click on online store. So the very first step actually is to download and install our own theme. But as you can see right here, Shopify has already automatically downloaded done theme for us. But for this design, we are going to use our own theme. This theme has custom features you will not find anywhere else, and also the sections are already laid out for you. The theme is available in our store. You will find a link in our description box below. Now the next step is to install our theme. Click on add theme, upload zip file. I already have my theme, so I'm just going to drag and drop the zip file right into it, and I'm going to click upload. Now, once we've uploaded our theme, the next step now is to go to our theme editor to see how it actually looks like. We click on customize, homepage, product, default product. As you can see, the theme already has given us everything we wanted. The color schemes are already in place. The layouts are already in place as well. As you can see them here. What we have to do next is to create our typography, our custom typography. And to do this, we have to install an application. To do that, we have to click on apps, and then we have to search for Google font. And then we have to click on this font right here, and we have to install it. We have to click on install again. When it's done installing, we just have to click on customize app, and we have to enable the application by clicking enable. And then we have to follow the prompt in the dialog box by clicking next. Go to online store. It's already enabled automatically. We just have to click on save. Then we will go back to our application. We click next, and then no help please, and close the dialog box. The next step now is to add our font by clicking on add new, custom font. The font we are looking for is called Lilita 1, and we can find this font on Google Font. So we have to open a new browser. We will type Google Font. We'll open the website and then search for Lilita 1. Perfect. Then we have to click on get font, download all. We have to download this font from Google. Now once you've downloaded your font, we have to go back to our application, and then we can name it whatever we like. I'm just going to name mine Lilita 1, and then I'm going to add the font by going to our theme file, Lilita 1, and then we choose this font right here. Then we have to choose the elements that are going to be used by the font. So we are going to use headline 1, 2, up to 6. And then we are going to click custom elements. We're going to click add new, and then we are going to add these tags, point, h null, up to 6. So I'm going to start from 0, add new, h1, 2, 3, up to 6. Then we have to check this checkbox, force style overrides, and then we have to click on save. And by the way, this store is available for purchase. If you don't want to go through the stress of designing and setting up, you can get everything ready made for you. The link to the store is in the description box below. Now let's jump to the next section, which is to create new products. What we have to do is to exit our application, and then we have to click on product, and then we have to click on add product. And then we can name our product whatever we like. I'm going to name mine Kido Potty. And then I'm going to upload new images by going to my file. And I'm going to pick the best images for this design. Perfect. And I'm going to click save. Now let's move on to designing our product page. We are going to click on online store, themes, and then click on customize to go to our theme editor. And then we click on home page, product, and then default product. So now we are in the product page. For your information, I would like to show you what we are trying to achieve. So let's come to the finished design right here. We are trying to achieve a star rating widget should be available on our product information, as well as our bundle package should also be available, and also our trust badges, our payment trust badges should also be available. But first, we're going to start with the bundle package, and we're going to require an application for this. Now, to use this bundle offer, we need to install an application, and this application is called Catching Bundles. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to exit our theme editor, and then we're going to go to apps, and we're going to search for catching bundles. Right here, we are going to install it. Install. Then we are going to click on create a deal. We are going to choose this second one, my most favorite. I'm going to choose this format right here. Right here, we can change the colors and also change the text of what we want. So I can say buy one, and I'm going to change this one to buy two, and the third one I'm going to change to buy three, and I'm going to click save. The next step now is to just change the colors of the bundle offers. So first we are going to change the border color to blue. Please use this color code. Same thing for the batch background. We're going to change this to blue. Title should be blue as well. Price also blue. Block title blue. Label text blue. Then we're going to click on save. Now the bundle deal offer is done. We have to go back to our online store to activate it. We have to click on app embeds and then enable catching bundles. Then we have to click on save and then go back to our product. Default product. As you can see, it's already showing up on our product. The next application to install is the Trust Payment Badges, and for this we are going to use a new application. We have to go back to our application and type in Trust Badges Pair. That's the application we need. We're going to click install. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for it. So you have to click on install, and then you have to design your badges. You have to select them. For me, I like to choose a maximum of about 6 badges. So I'm just going to choose 2 more badges, and then I am done for the badges. Menstrual and Ideal, and I'm going to click save. And I want my badges to be small, extra small like that. And I'm going to remove the heading text, and I'm going to click save. Then I'm going to go back to my theme editor, and I'm going to enable, and then I'm going to see how it's being shown in my product page. I will have to add it manually through the application by clicking on apps and then Trust Badge widget. I want to put it just below the buy button, and I'm going to click save. So the next task on our list is to download our review application, and for this we are going to use Loox. We are going to go to application, and then we are going to search for Loox. We are going to install it, and then please take note, Loox is not a free application. It costs about, I don't know what it costs, $14 per month for the smallest beginner plan and $39 per month for the scale plan. And they both have trials. The smallest plan starts with 7-day trial, and the big one starts with 14-day trial. For me, I can use Loox for free because I'm a Shopify partner, and I'm building this store in a development mode, so it's not going live, so I can use it for free. But for you guys, you might have to pay for it. To start using Loox, I will have to add the widget into my product information page, on my product page. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Yes, exactly. Yes, this is it. And then I'm also going to have it here, Loox, it's Loox star rating widget. Loox star rating widget, I'm going to put it directly under the price. And the good thing about the star rating widget is that you can actually add your own text. So for me, I'm going to add this text like this, and I'm going to click save. Now, as you can see, our star rating widget is customized, but I want this star rating widget to have bold capitalization. But the problem now is I think we forgot to add our A tag and our button tag in our Google font customization. So we have to go back there, and then we will have to insert them inside the Google font customization app. We have to click customize app, and then we have to go back to little one, and then we have to add A tag and then button tag like this, and then we have to save it. Now we can go back to our product page. As you can see, the changes have been effectively shown here. The next step now is to import our reviews from AliExpress. So first, we need to go to AliExpress and find that particular product. For me, I've already searched for it and I see this product already have about 4,000 purchases or 4,000 orders, and it has about 622 customer reviews with 4.7 stars. This is a good metric for us to use to pick this particular product. So let's go back to our theme editor, and then we have to go back to Loox. We have to click on review, and then we have to click on import review. So we need to import Loox to our tab for us to be able to import any AliExpress review onto our Shopify store. So what we have to do is drag like this. Perfect. I'm just going to click done, and then I'm going to go to my AliExpress page, and I'm going to click import Loox. I'm going to click Kiddo Climber, and I'm going to click only reviews with photos, and I'm going to click preview and import. I will go back to my product page to insert this inside the product page. You have to scroll down and click add section. Oh, it's already done automatically, as you can see. So this review widget is from Loox. Perfect. Now the next task on our list is to actually build something like this to show this bubble and to insert these SVG icons right inside this bubble. To fix that, as you can see from the already downloaded theme, we already have our section already given to us. We only need to fine tune some little things, like for example, we have to take out the title and the subtitle, and then we have to take out the label. We only need to have icons on each columns. So let's do that. Let's take out the button, and then on each column, I only need an image. So I'm just going to select, I'm going to add an image from my files. These are the brand icons. I'm going to add them one after the other. Perfect. And I'm going to delete all other columns, and I'm going to duplicate each one of these. I'm going to make 5 duplicates like this, and I'm going to change every single one of them to a different icon, and then I'm going to click save. Now for this section, we need to have our bubble already created. For me, I already designed my bubble, my wave kind of cloudy bubble. I only just need to drag and drop it inside this dialog box here. So I'm just going to click select, and then I'm going to look for my bubble file right here. I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click done. Perfect. As you can see, I only need to duplicate this one, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of this section. And then as part of the settings here, I can flip it upside down or flip it 180 degrees. So I'm just going to do that right now. Perfect. Now we have this section already made for us. I just need to click save. For this section, I only need one image. This image is what I need. And this section is done. I'm just going to click save. For this section, I need to remove this heading right here, and then I need to add this bubble icon above it, and then also the bubble icon should be below it, as well as this button should be taken out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm first going to remove the title, and then I'm going to remove the button. Then the final step, I'm going to include my wave, blue wave or blue cloud, like this. I'm going to do the same thing because it's already laid out for us. I'm going to use the blue, and then I'm going to, yeah, perfect. It already flipped for us automatically. So that's it for this section. The next section is to actually insert an image here. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to click select, and I'm going to add this image right here. I'm going to do the same for the other row. I'm going to add this image right here, and I'm going to click save. For this section as well, I'm going to add our cloud border above it. By clicking on it, I'm going to add the blue cloud above it, and I'm going to add the blue cloud below it as well. I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click save. As you can see, our review section is already done. Also, our footer section is automatically done for us, so you don't have to worry. Perfect. I think our product page is 100% done. So let's move to the next one. The next task on our list is to create our tracking page, and for this we will need a custom application. So we have to go back to our application and find an application called 17 Track. Click on install. Continue. Start journey. Okay. We have to look for a link to the tracking page. By clicking tracking page, we can find the link. Perfect. This is the link we need. We are going to take this link, and then we are going to find a link, and then we are going to create a navigation, and we are going to insert this link inside the navigation. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to go back to online store. We're going to go back to navigation, and then on our main menu navigation, we are going to include tracking, and then we have to insert the link we got from the 17 track, and then we're going to click this one, and we're going to click save. And that's all we need for the tracking page. I can easily show you if I go back to my product page and I refresh it. Perfect. You can see the tracking page is already visible. We only have to click it, and then we have our tracking page automatically done. The next task on our list is to design the home page. So we go back to our home page, and then we need to insert 2 images here, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the image banner, and we're going to select the first image. We're going to add more images. Like this, and then we're going to click save on this, and then we are going to move down. As you can see, it is already made for us automatically because of the theme we installed. So we're going to select, for this featured product, we only need to select the product that we want it to be featured on. I'm going to click replace, and then Kiddo Climber, and then I'm going to click save. The final step now is to add our review widget. Perfect. If you are confused or you got stuck somewhere somehow, just let me know. You can write me an email, or you just write it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for studying this material, and yeah, like and subscribe for more beautiful tutorials like this.